Hi there, I am Julia Cearley and this is Mix It. And what does that mean? It's cocktail time. I'm making a pumpkin spice martini. I don't have a name for it yet though, so if you feel so inclined, leave me a comment and give me your suggestion for a name. I like to keep my ingredients as fresh as possible and indicative of the season. Plus, I like to retain, if you will, the integrity of the spirit. No flavored vodkas or anything like that. We're gonna start off by making a pumpkin spice simple syrup. Not only is it delicious, it makes your house smell delicious. In our pan, 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of water. Now that's the base of any simple syrup. From that base, you can add anything that you want. Herbs, spices, you name it. Pumpkin pie spice consists of ground nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, and ginger. 8 ounces of a nice fresh pumpkin puree. No pumpkin left behind. Give it a nice stir over kind of medium heat and just let this come to a simmer. Make sure you keep on stirring this though. Once you reach a simmer, take it off of the heat, let it cool down for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to strain this. If I don't spill, I don't want to jinx it, but so far so good. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Julia. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How did I do that? Just sort of moving around because little bits and pieces can get stuck throughout. It smells so good. Can we make a candle out of this? I'm sure they do. Put it in the vessel of your choice. I think we're good to go. It's time to mix it. We start with our shaker. Do you like my little bar setup? You take the girl out of the bar, but you can't take the bar out of the girl. We are gonna start with our spirit. And I'll take my jigger. We're gonna add 2 ounces of our vodka, 2 ounces of our apple cider. Good, good, good. 1 ounce of our cream. About a ½ ounce of our pumpkin spice simple syrup. You can do more, you can do less. The one rule when it comes to cocktailing is that there are no rules. Drink what you like, dude. This isn't just for your cocktails. This is for your coffee in the morning, for your tea. French toast would be good. Drizzle this on ice cream. And then we're gonna add a couple dashes of bitters. Now, these are aromatic bitters. You can play with bitters. I love bitters because the original cocktail, where this all began, was with a cocktail that comprised of 3 elements: spirit, sugar, and bitters. We're gonna add a little bit of freshly ground cinnamon. I don't know why I always say it's freshly ground because let me tell you, I didn't grind it myself, but I did drive to the store and walk down the aisle myself. We're gonna grab some ice, load up our shaker. Don't spill. I always wanted to be one of those cool bartenders who just like did that shake. But look, like my head goes all over the place. I look ridiculous when I do it. Strain into our glass. Perfect. Take a little bit more of that freshly ground cinnamon. Do a little sprinkle on top. Take a cinnamon stick, and when you use it as your garnish, every time you take a sip, you get that whiff, and it just adds an extra layer. I'm gonna do something that goes against every fiber of my being. For the sake of the cocktail, I will do it. But it looks cool, right? All right, cheers and happy Halloween. It's creamy because of that cream, that pumpkin spice adds a nice, like really great dimension, a good viscosity. That apple cider really like pops, and then of course that cinnamon. Oh yeah. Ooh, happy autumn, my friends. Happy Mix It. For this recipe and all the tools that you may need to be your own at-home bartender, just type in Mix It in the search bar on QVC.com. Like, share, and subscribe so you can come to my happy hour and don't miss an episode. If you want to do a mocktail version, super easy. Just leave out the booze when it comes to this cocktail.